Audaces offers several solutions to enhance your company, your business, and even your career. One of them is ISA. ISA is a fashion pillion software that serves as Audaces collection manager and product development manager. Audaces created this cutting-edge tool through extensive research and by gathering essential data from professionals who works daily with the fashion collection creation and launch process. Using this valuable information, they develop an innovative solution aimed at keeping all the departments aligned with the development process. Ensuring profitability and precision for your fashion collection, ISA allows you to organize, control, and develop your collection in a timely manner. Working in the fashion industry for 8 years, one of the biggest problems is communication, misinformation, and not meeting production deadlines. And ISA is here to solve that for you. You are probably already thinking that this is exactly what your company needs, right? With ISA, we can organize our collection in whatever way is more convenient for us. In this example, I have separated by garment typed tops, bottom, and jackets, but you can organize it however you like. You can add everyone on your team using their email. What makes the software ISA even better is that you don't have to install it. Instead, you can access online. So anyone on your team with their login will be able to connect. You can view the collection as a map, Kanban, or overview. This way, you can easily visualize your collection and know in which stage each garment is at. Once you click on the garment, you can add description, color, print, composition, pattern, etc. You can attach picture for reference and even assign the person who will be responsible carrying out of the production of that garment. In the Step tab, you will see which production step that garment needs to go through until it's cut, sewn, and ready for sale. You can configure this step in the settings, adjusting them to your company needs. You also have a story section where you can see which member has been working on this garment and a comment section. My favorite option for view the collection is Kanban. It's separate step that each for your garment need to go through into columns, so you can see which one are in the pattern making process, being sold, etc. Even in the overview view, you can see which stage each garment is at in the timeline format. When you see a check mark, it means that the process has been successfully completed, and when you see a pencil, it means it's in the review process. For each step, you can see who is responsible for it and if there are any issues. Additionally, for each step, you can set a deadline and a calendar. So from now on, your team will be able to launch the collection on time. Everyone will know which stage of production they are at, and there won't be any more communication problems. Remember, in the settings, you can establish the step of your collection from start to finish, reason why a sample might be rejected or cancelled, and even for review. No one on your team will be able to delete files you upload to this cloud. Everything is secure. But ISA isn't just for companies, it's also for entrepreneurs. In my case, I use it for my freelance clients. I generate an email for them and add them to the collection so they can see in which process I am developing their garment. Do you like ISA? How do you think that you can use it for your fashion business? I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!